Meaning of future.
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 Future. The term future refers to a period of time that has not yet occurred. It is often used to describe the potential outcomes of events, decisions, and actions that may take place in the days, months, or years ahead. The future can be both exciting and uncertain, as it holds the promise of new opportunities, experiences, and discoveries, but also carries the risk of unexpected challenges, setbacks, and unknown factors. Ultimately, the future is shaped by the choices we make in the present, and the way we prepare for and respond to the events that lie ahead.